We have made a bold claim regarding scope creep essentially being the root of all project management evil. Why do we say this? Obviously, there are the standard sources of scope creep like boundless sponsor wishlists. However, consider the common sources of project delays and cost overruns. It's easy to point at poor estimation and planning, but let's dig deeper. When a software developer spends twice the expected time they planned completing a feature, how often is it because of unexpected complexity or poor design of existing code? When a product designer discovers that the tight tolerances required to fabricate a component drive the total unit cost well beyond the original estimate, how often is it because they are constrained by other portions of the design team that don't know the impact they are having on the cost? Can we actually call this scope creep? At the heart of this consideration is whether or not the project team should have known better. Examples of this include whether the existing code was assumed to be designed well, whether the allocation of physical constraints were assumed to be done properly. Instead of focusing on the technicalities of internal versus external scope creep and whether the team should take responsibility for capturing all of the assumptions baked into their estimates. The key growth moment here is, the difference between assumed baseline scope and actual scope is now understood and can be improved upon going forward. That is it. That's the path toward continuous improvement. Bringing such differences to light can assist in both planning and execution. Over time, the team can learn from the gaps between the plan and reality, recognize similar patterns in subsequent iterations, adjust and improve. Once the project manager and team members begin to see these gaps and build the habit of addressing them early and often, they are well on their way to higher project performance. If this helped you see the difference between textbook and real-life application, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for the opportunity to learn more.